ForgeFix have a fantastic range of fixings. This is their brand new Spectre range. This is the introductory pack, the Organiser, filled with 1200 of probably the most popular screws. What we're going to do now is just talk you through the box. It's a full metal catched Organiser. The screws are in there in their boxes. As we said, 6 of the most popular sizes. 16s, 20s, 30s, up to 40s, all different lengths. You can tip the screws out of the box into the compartments. So obviously there you can take them out of the box when you need them, take them to the job site, and obviously when you've run out you can refill those up as well. So that's a great little feature. Metal carrying handle. Once as well everything's in there, you can't shake the bits about. So they're not going to change compartments. As you can see there, the dividers are locked in place. So they've thought of everything, these ForgeFix guys. This is a Spectre screws, and I'm now going to talk you through the features and benefits of this fantastic new screw. So what's special about the Spectre screw? Well, if we start at the important end, there we have a quick start slash point end. All the threads are sawtooth to prevent splitting. They have a 40-degree single thread. It has a reamer to prevent jacking at the top of the screw. So that means if you're joining two pieces of wood together, they're not going to part as you turn your screw through them. So that's a really important feature. It's got a double countersink and it's fully threaded up to the 50mm if it's a 50mm size screw. So if the size of the screw denotes it, the thread goes right to the top. They're all posi drive finished, and there's 1200 of these inside the case as we showed you earlier. So there we have it, 1200 professional quality Spectre screws from ForgeFix. Pick one of these organisers up, full of your screws from your nearest real deal stockist.